Hi everyone, welcome to the Virtual Teaching Assistant, an AI-powered teaching assistant built for higher education, from graduation to PhD. Designed for both teachers and students, it streamlines academic tasks, personalizes learning, and drives engagement with intelligent document processing, conversational AI, and automated quiz generation. Let's take a look. For a teacher, first log in with your credentials to open the moderator portal. Go to the Sources tab and click on the Upload button to add your course material to the system. Provide a name for the set of course materials and select the subject and course. Note that only the subjects and courses the teacher is assigned to will show up in the respective drop-downs. Upload the course materials from your local system and click on the Create button. Your course materials will be uploaded and ingested by the system. For this course, we have uploaded this PDF document as the course material. Let's add another course material to this course. The process of adding a new source of course material to the system is exactly the same as shown for the first one. For this course, we have uploaded this PDF document as the course material. Similarly, let's add one last course material to this course. Note that, although we can add multiple sources or course materials to a single subject and course, but the name of the source should be unique for each one. Once the status of the course materials become completed, the materials will be ready to use by both the teacher and students. Go to the Teaching Aid tab to query the course materials. Select the appropriate course from the drop-down and ask your question in the chat application. It will provide you the LLM-generated answer directly from your course material. Let's ask another question to the chat application. The LLM and embedding models being used in this workflow are Llama 3.18b and BGE Large, respectively. This can be configured from the admin page in VTA. The queries are sent to these model deployments, and these models process and generate the answers from the data uploaded by you. The LLM-generated answer will be provided to you in the chat application. As a teacher, you can generate a quiz for your students from the course materials. Simply open the quiz page and click on the Create button. Note that, you can create the quiz including all the sources or course material documents you uploaded and ingested earlier. Provide a name for the quiz, select the subject, course and source of the course material, provide the number of questions to be generated and click on the Create Quiz button. Your quiz will be generated in a draft state in a few seconds. Click on the title of the quiz to see its details. You can see the generated questions along with the options, correct answer and explanation, all generated by the LLM. You can also provide your instructions to the LLM to improve or make changes to any questions. Once you are happy with the quiz generated, you can approve the quiz and publish it through your LMS system to make it available to your students. For the student's workflow, let's log into VTA with the student's credentials. Note that the student will be able to access the courses he only has been enrolled to. In the Teaching Aid page, select the course you want to study about and ask your questions in the chat application. The answers, similar to the Teaching Aid page in the Teachers section, will only take the information from the course material the teacher had uploaded. As a student, you can also test your knowledge by generating and going through practice quizzes by opening the quiz page and clicking on the Create button. Note that, you can create the quiz including all the sources or course material documents you uploaded and ingested earlier. Provide a name for the quiz, select the subject, course and source of the course material, provide the number of questions to be generated and click on the Create Quiz button. Your quiz will be generated in a few seconds. Once generated, click on the Start button to start your quiz. Once you click on the Start button again, the timer will start, and the questions will be open for you to answer. Click on the Next button to go to the next question, Previous button to go to the previous question, or Save in Progress button to save your current progress and exit the quiz temporarily. You can also click on the Show Hint button to get a LLM-generated hint for your question. Once done, click on the Submit Quiz button to submit your answers. The results of your quiz will be provided to you instantly, along with score, time spent, feedback, and answer review. In the answer review, the correct answer, your provided answer and explanation for the answer will be provided. To check the overall records and results of your quizzes, go to the Results page. Here, in the Overview tab, you can see the overall score distribution and performance timeline metrics in a graphical format. In the Quiz Performance tab, you can see the attempt history and average scores of each of the quizzes you took. In the Submission History page, you can see the records of all your quiz submissions. Clicking on the View Details button will open the details about the said submissions along with question analysis. This was Virtual Teaching Assistant, an AI-powered teaching assistant for higher education. Built for both teachers and students, it transforms academic tasks into smarter, faster, and more engaging learning experiences. Thank you.